In the quiet moments of our lives, have you ever paused to consider the profound significance of doors? These silent sentinels mark the thresholds between our past and our future, encapsulating every experience, decision, and opportunity we've encountered. Behind each door lies a unique narrative, a chapter in the story of our existence, whether grand and imposing or humble and unassuming. Doors are more than mere conduits. They are the guardians of our memories, the portals to our dreams. As we journey through the tapestry of time, we find ourselves compelled to adorn these thresholds, to sculpt them into reflections of our inner worlds. From the intricately carved to the sleekly modern, we invest time and thought into the appearances of these gateways, for they are the canvases upon which we paint the essence of our lives. And so, as we embark on this introspective exploration, I invite you to consider the profound symbolism that resides within the very concept of a door. In this video, we venture into the realm of creation where the mundane meets the extraordinary. What if behind the door lies not just a room, but an entire galaxy? A universe waiting to unfold, inspired by the timeless epic of Star Wars. Join me on this odyssey as we craft a door diorama, portal into a galaxy far, far away. For in every creak, in every detail meticulously added, we discover not just a piece of art, but a celebration of the doors that shape our destinies. Where the f*** is my hot glue gun? It's essential to acknowledge the vulnerabilities that accompany the journey of a model maker. In the intricate dance between imagination and reality, I find myself caught in the delicate balance of mastery and uncertainty. Yet, and here's the paradox, in the vast landscape of 3D modelling and printing, where I find solace and assurance, a peculiar vulnerability emerges when faced with the tactile artistry of miniature creation. The precision of pixels doesn't always seamlessly translate to the delicate touch of a brush on a tangible surface, or an intricate cut from a craft knife. But perhaps it's within these moments of doubt that the true essence of artistry is revealed. For every stroke of the airbrush, I sense a whisper of doubt. A hesitation in the face of a tool that seems to defy my grasp. The world of miniature painting, with its minuscule details and nuanced techniques, becomes a labyrinth of self-reflection. It's a realm where confidence wavers and the fear of imperfection lingers like a silent shadow. The struggle to master the nuances, the journey through uncertainty. It's the process that shapes not only the creation, but the creator. So this is the bit where I coherently tell you that I had a plan. and that everything I'm about to show you went exactly as I'd intended. The thing is, none of that is true. Welcome to the chaos, people. Laser cutting, 3D printing, scratch building, foam dust, and inadequate miniature painting skills. I got all of the above, but I'm going to try and make this make sense anyway. This hatch started life as an unused print of one of my 3D models, based loosely on a TIE fighter cockpit. But here you can see how it slowly evolved into a hatch, something which later became the centerpiece of the diorama. So a quick little 3D modelling session, and the smallest motor I could find resulted in this radar. A Star Wars radar. Size matters not, remember? I just love the pigment powder. It's a great replacement for substandard painting skills, but a bonus that the finish is great, realistic and gritty, if a little messy. Yep, it's the obligatory 3D modelled pipe time, because nothing says I'm a serious modeller like pipes that are weathered. And the good thing about weathering, of course, is you can put it down to battle scars rather than just poor craftsmanship, or a broken print in this case. To truly make this diorama come to life, it was time to eat some greens. I used a collection of different grasses and made some specific ones using hot glue and different lengths of modelling grass. For me though, it only really worked when I started to add the burnt umber weathering powder. This rooted the grass and rooted the vegetation in a much more realistic way. All of the STL files you can see in this section are all available on my Etsy and Patreon. Many of these models were made for different things, and I kit bashed my own content. Great fun. Well, I can safely say this was my most complex diorama yet. So, let's check out the reveal. This is inspired by the Fallen Order and Jedi Survivor games, and was built purposely to create a diorama for the Haxion Brood droid you can see here. You can also check out the full build video for him on my channel. Recently, as a bit of fun, I reached out to the maker community with a Door Diorama challenge. I was completely overwhelmed by the response. Thanks guys for all of your hard work. Your submissions are amazing. As this is our first challenge, it's all about recognition, so I will not be judging an overall winner in this case. In my mind, they're all awesome. Be sure to check out the artist links in my description below.
Hey James, Happy New Year. Kevin from Protocol 13 here to submit my entry for the Star Wars Doorway Diorama Challenge. The first one that came to my mind that I wanted to try and make a diorama of was Season 1, Episode 1 of The Mandalorian. Thanks again to James from Rebel Base Builds for throwing out the Doorway Diorama Challenge. Here's to a prosperous 2024. See you soon.
Thanks guys for watching, and if you want to catch more, be sure to hit the like and subscribe. Here's to more in 2024.